talking about that high-grade steel, the kind that's tough and has appeal. But let me tell you something true, it's geometry's what pulls you through. It's not the steel, it's how it's shaped. The angles cut, the edge that's taped, the sharper line, a finer grind. That's where the power you'll find. You could have the hardest blade, but if the edge is poorly made, it won't hold up, it won't perform. It's the geometry that keeps it warm. It's not the steel, it's how it's shaped. The angles cut, the edge that's taped, a sharper line, a finer grind. That's where the power you'll find. Steel can be the finest kind, but without that perfect line, it's just a blade that'll break when it's the cut you wanna make. It's not the steel, it's how it's shaped. The angles cut, the edge that's taped, a sharper line, a finer grind. That's where the power you'll find. So when you choose your knife to wield, remember it's the edge that's sealed. Geometry over steel every time. That's how you cut it fine. That's how you cut it fine.